Hey there, welcome back to YouTube channel. So the highly anticipated Omnipod 5 app for iPhone is expected to available soon. So as you know, the Omnipod 5 app for iPhone is pending FDA clearance and is not available for sale in the US. So but however it has received a FDA clearance or a approval should be available in the coming year 2024 according to an official announcement from an Insulate. So the new app will feature a custom foods features and designed to simplify carb entry, allowing users to save carb information for favorite food and frequently eaten meals and add favorite meals to directly to the smart bonus. So calculator to simplify bonusing are simply mealtime. So the app will launch first with a Dexcom G6 integration with a full market and release anticipated in 2024. So the Omnipod 5 app for iPhone is expected to offer a slick new interface and seamlessly integrated dark mode. As you can see, this website is for there to provide information about a Omnipod is coming soon. So users with a convenient and a user friendly experience. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in a next video with further information.